with Diner Lee. With Diner Lee.
Listen, you kids are beginning to get into my hair.
With Diner Lee. With Diner Lee.
Listen, you kids are beginning to get into my hair.
Well, now, let me see. Where were we? You wanted me to get out of town, and I stole your girl. Well.
But first, we've got to pick one of us that's good enough to win the prize. Oh, that's a sheep. Sure. Okay, then. Let's all get to going and may the best man win. All right. Who's first? I am. What are you gonna do? You know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna sing. Okie dokie.
Spanky.
It was 1 glass of lemonade.
And 5 straws?
Right.
Spanky.
It was 1 glass of lemonade.
And 5 straws?
Right. Say, listen, Spanky stole some money.
Yes, son, I know all about it. There you are. It's all over town. So, there you are. What do you mean by... Oh. Ah. Young man, what have you to say for yourself?
Now listen, Pop.
Don't talk. Lying won't help. I can stand a thief, but a liar, never. Oh, that you should do this today. Today, the day of all days. Your mother's wedding anniversary.
Say, what's Pop talking about?
We have dilly-dallied long enough.
You're making a big mistake.
Mistake nothing. Just look at you. Guilt is written all over your face.